Hello to all my friends out there. Hi. This is Practical Prepping video number 3. This video is what to do if you don't have much food. This video is what to do if you don't have a stockpile. And this video is what to do if someone asks you for food. You know, something could happen, something could come up, and someone might ask you for food, and you might feel, wow, I don't want to send them away, but I don't want to give them food that my own family might possibly need. So, okay, what I have here is I have a box, and it's all half-eaten packages. So if you're new to prepping, you're going to go through your kitchen. You're going to get every last package of food or every last bit of food, and you're going to take stock of what you have, and you're going to create an area. Now, I keep mine in a box. And you're going to put all the half-eaten packages in this box, and you're going to keep them organized so you kind of know what's in there. So you're going to start your prepping with the food you have. And believe it or not, you probably have quite a bit of food in the house. So you're going to get it all together, and you're going to go through it. So, okay, let me show you. Now, what I did is I have a small box within my large box. This is it. I have macaroni, and I keep all the half-eaten packages macaroni. And you can just get yourself some spaghetti sauce or, some cheese, and you can eat that. You can also give that to someone. And then I have rice. I save all the little packages. I got the rice I'm making tonight out of this little package. And then I have some beans. So if you gave somebody rice, beans, and pasta, actually this is a lot of rice. Rice and beans and some vegetables and some pasta. So that's what I have in this little box. And then in this bigger box, I'm going to move it just because it's kind of in the way. What I have in here is I have some top ramen soup and some crackers. And I save all the packages of crackers. You could give, these are Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I make top ramen with Flamin' Hot Cheetos on the side, and I put hot sauce and lime in it. I have various crackers. I save them all. See these little packages of crackers? I have some chips. Those can count as bread, just as well as crackers can. So you can see I have quite a bit of bread in here. I don't throw anything out. I eat it. So I make sure that I keep all of my food rather orderly. Not right now because, So you could give your friends some soup and some crackers. Or, you can eat it yourself. Okay, and then I have some cake mix. I make half a package. So you see, brownie mix, half a package. Yellow cake, you guys saw the cakes I made. And I have some hot chocolate. Okay, then I have some nuts. I have some dry fruit. And what I do is I keep the crackers and the soup on one side, and then I put the cake mixes and the dry fruit. I have a few more bags of dry fruit so I can make some raisin bread. Sometimes I like to have walnuts and dates. That's good. Okay, and then what I have is I have some packages of cookies. I have the Flamin' Hot Cheetos and some cookies. And I have some eyeball gum. I will chew it all eventually. So this is all the loose food I have, and I eat that. If I want rice, here's my rice that I'm going to be having in a little while. I got it out of the half-eaten package. Oh, let me give you a picture of my vegetable stew. I'm going to be eating that in a little while. That's cheap. Scroll down if you want to see the video. And I have some tea. Okay, so now I have a few cookies. And today Ricky and these are some leftover ketchup, pancake syrup. I have some barbecue sauce, some salsa packets. Today Ricky and I were at McDonald's and I said we were lucky we got free fries. We loved it. We humbly accepted it. I said, take the ketchup, you might need it. So what to do if you don't have much food? Gather all your food together, all your half-eaten packages together, and put it in one place. What to do if you don't have a stockpile? This is your stockpile. This is the beginning of a stockpile of food. And then what you're going to do is you're going to eat that. And if someone asks you for food, you're going to go and you're going to get your friends some rice, some beans, some macaroni, some crackers, some soup, some cookies, some dry fruit, some nuts, some tea. So that's practical prepping part 3, and I will be back pretty soon with some dinner. Oh, I want to mention something. Okay, my earrings, I just bought these. These are Anne Klein, but what they really are is they're like fox ambers with ivory. They're not. They're fake. And this is one of my favorite bracelets, Vince Camuto. Love Vince Camuto. And then I have a collection of these. Not easy to find. And these are moonstones. Not easy to find. If you get the long ones, one can be like a choker. So, okay, you guys, that's Practical Prepper by Rhoda Stone, part 3. And God bless you all. And if you have any good comments, I would appreciate it if you leave them. My followers read the comments. And thank you to everyone who's been following me since the beginning. And thank you to all the new followers. And it's nice to have preppers, you know? So I think that's really great. And I'm going to be doing more of these prepper videos. So God bless you all.